Welcome to Inkfluence of Art Creating Vision Boards. Vision Board, building on your dreams and goals. Creating a vision board is a personal project, but someone may still need help working through the process: what to put, how to arrange it, theme or no theme, that is the questions. Along with the program there is a series of video tips and processes that combine with the program. See our YouTube channel at Inkfluence to view the extra videos. These self-helpful videos will help your practice grow and give you a more broader perspective of creating your own. It's suggested that it be done at home for the comfort of your personal information, but you can explore and ask for support with the LCD writing tablet and an instructor/video. The vision board is the foundation of this art technique journey. You will explore and manage your goals and issues in your life in a way that keeps you focused and your goals in perspective for the priority of what you want to achieve. When you are done creating it, you will hang it in a place that you will see it daily. They always suggest bathrooms or bedrooms, again for personal privacy, but also because you may spend a lot of time in there when reading, or a focus that would be a good passing of time. Winky face. Supplies, recycle when you can. Picture frame, size is your choice. Pictures, tickets, maps or memorabilia, magazines, or travel brochures. Markers, colored pencils or paints and embellishments. Color wheel/color mood chart. Instructions: the focus is on your goals or dreams, keeping it positive affirmation, sayings or mantras. If you find it hard to produce ideas for this, I encourage you to try the 3 exercises that help develop the creative process. Identifying your goals and/or dreams, plans or even ideas. That's the first process in the vision board. Using your journal for this part will help keep your results error-free. Write down as many as you can think of. Don't hold back. The idea isn't to complete them all, it's to imagine you could. Picture your future accomplishments and see them fully before you plan to take action. It will give you very clear direction. Write down some words to cheer yourself on, affirmations, positive phrases, sayings or your mantra from meditation. Now for this session, because it is a group and sharing our personal information can shut us down and even block our thoughts with worrying about how it may be perceived, let's focus on the colors and our emotions. Check out the color mood chart. If you need assistance in establishing this for yourself, use the color wheel to identify which color you would use for each of the goals, dreams or plans. Use the watercolors on a pre-cut sheet of watercolor paper, a bit of water and paint in the colors you've chosen and create little puddles, circles or any shape you feel comfortable with in each of the colors. Make sure you journal which colors are identified with which goals. Once you have made a color area for each goal, don't worry if they overlap. That's part of the creative at work. When the page is dry, use the markers to write the goals, dreams or plans on the appropriate color, or if you prefer to just recall the goals from the colors, just add the affirmations around them and put your creation into a frame. This is your first vision board. At your desk or where you work most might be the best place to keep it. Seeing it every day will help remind you and encourage you to focus on attaining your goals. Let's take those affirmations and make a mantra. You can use a mantra for focus, in mediation, prayer and grounding exercise. Here is an example. Or happy, loved, live, life, kind, heart, Repeat.